Welcome to Finally Got Fit, Real Talk with Moose, the podcast where we ditch the gimmicks and get real about getting healthy again. This isn't about chasing six-packs or punishing workouts. It's about creating a better routine. Fuel, move, recover, repeat. That's how you finally get fit and actually stay that way. Welcome back to the Finally Got Fit podcast. I'm Mike Green. Some of you know me as Moose. And today, we're diving into the third pillar of the Finally Got Fit routine, recover. If you're new here, here's a quick recap. In episode 1, I shared the real story behind my transformation from over 270 pounds and exhausted to fit, focused, and finally in control of my health. In episode 2, I introduced the 4-part routine that helped me do it. Fuel, move, recover, repeat. It's simple, it's doable, and it works. We've already covered fuel, how I stopped eating to feel full and started eating to function. And we talked about move. Not just workouts, but the essential daily movement your body needs. Today, it's time for the most overlooked part of the routine, recovery. Most people think recovery just means sleep. And sure, sleep is critical. But recovery is about a whole lot more. It's about giving your body what it needs to rebuild, to adapt, to grow stronger, not just grind harder. Because let me be real with you, I used to think more was always better. More training, more intensity, more sweat. But you don't grow during your workouts. You grow during the rest that follows. That's when your body repairs muscle, rebalances hormones, clears out stress, and recharges your energy. And here's the thing I wish I'd understood years ago. When you ignore recovery, you don't just stall progress. You start moving backwards. So let's talk about what recovery actually looks like. It's not just lying on the couch or skipping a workout. It's strategic restoration. Here's what's worked for me. First, sleep is sacred. I do my best to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. I keep my room cool, dark, and quiet. No phone, no TV, just rest. Why does that matter? Because your body runs on rhythm, your circadian rhythm. It controls hormone release, metabolism, and even recovery speed. Mess with that rhythm, and you'll feel it in your focus, your cravings, your energy. Second, morning sunlight. This one's a game changer. Within 30 minutes of waking up, I step outside. No sunglasses, no screen, just light. It helps reset my body clock and boosts energy for the day. That early light isn't just about feeling more awake. It signals your brain to lower melatonin and boost cortisol at the right time. It's one of the best ways to anchor your entire recovery process. Third, I tape my mouth shut when I sleep. Yeah, it sounds weird. But it helps me breathe through my nose, sleep deeper, and wake up refreshed. I'll never stop doing it. Fourth, I avoid screens and bright lights at night. Instead of mindless scrolling, I ease into sleep with calm music, reading, or just sitting quietly in low light. This simple nighttime rhythm changed everything. And let's not forget rest days. Rest doesn't mean doing nothing. I still walk, I still move. But I give my body a break from intensity. Back when I ignored rest, I'd have these great weeks of training, followed by total crashes. I'd get sick more often. My joints ached, and I'd feel unmotivated for days. Now, with consistent recovery, I don't burn out. My performance is better, and I actually look forward to movement again. Recovery also includes what you put in your body. After training, I rehydrate with electrolytes and get high-quality protein. That combo helps rebuild muscle and prevent soreness. Now, how do you know if you're under-recovering? Here are a few signals. You wake up tired, even after 7 to 8 hours in bed. You crave sugar or caffeine all day. You feel edgy, foggy, or unmotivated. You're training hard, but not seeing progress. You feel wired at night, but drained all day. If any of those sound familiar, it's not a willpower problem. It's a recovery problem. So what can you do today to improve recovery? Here are 5 easy wins. 1, set a consistent bedtime, even on weekends. 2, get outside for natural light early in the day. 3, avoid screens for at least an hour before sleep. 4, take 1 true rest day each week where you move gently, not intensely. 5, drink water with electrolytes, especially after sweating. You don't need fancy supplements or expensive tools. Just simple, consistent inputs that help your body do what it's designed to do. And look, I get it. Recovery doesn't feel productive. You can't always see the gains overnight, but that's exactly why most people skip it and never reach their full potential. Recovery isn't the reward after hard work. It is the work. It's how you stay consistent. It's how you keep showing up. And it's where real progress begins. That's it for today's episode. In the next one, we'll close the loop with the final pillar, repeat. Because none of this matters unless you do it again and again and again. That's how habits become transformation. If this helped you, share it with a friend. And follow at FinallyGotFit for more practical tips to keep you moving forward. I'm Mike Green, and this is Finally Got Fit.